TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. First day of spring. It's a beautiful thing. Dow Industrials right now up 115. You get the Nasdaq up 33. S&Ps are up 12.5. We have quad witching out here, folks. So big option expiration day, and you can expect high volatility. We have the gold market trading up 790 at 1176. Silver is up 26 cents at $16.37. Now, gold and silver, what gold and silver has done, folks, is this. They got off the bottom this week. They got off the bottom when the Fed came out with the announcement that they're taking patience out of their statement. Bottom line, gold went from a price point of $11.44 up to $11.75. What we've done out here this morning, we built a couple cars for a couple days. You're moving higher again. What I expect you're going to see out here is gold's going to try to make a run out here somewhere into the 1190 area. Silver, same type of setup in silver. What you have with silver, silver actually was stronger than gold yesterday, and this morning, same thing is applicable. Silver is up 26 cents. You've already traded 21,000 contracts. What that is setting up is not only a run up to this 1690 area, silver wants to run to the high that was generated out here on January 21st, which is 1853. Now, what's so cool about that is that you get silver running like that, guess what? All the silver stocks, gold stocks, they're going to make the run to the top of their consolidation, and the top of their consolidation is pretty intense. If you look at Randgold Resources, that's up 195 right now. That's trading at 72. The top of that consolidation is up there at the $85 area. So what you have on the daily basis and on a weekly basis, you have gold off the bottom. It wants to run higher. Now, let's go over to the S&P, because what we do have on the S&P is this. The S&P, we'll start with the futures. The futures right now are trading at 2095. We hit 2097 this morning on the open. And what we have is this, is that Wednesday you had some real good volume in the marketplace. The high of Wednesday was 2099.75. You have option expiration happening. You should have high volume on option expiration. Thus far, guess what has happened? The market is having a really tough time getting into the 9.7, never mind the 9.9. Now, I think we're going to spike it. My take is that we are going to spike that 9.9. We'll see if it has enough juice to hold that number. If you look at the SPY, the way the SPY is setting up is that you are not going to have enough to hold it, which is pretty amazing for being an option expiration day, because the juice should be in it, but guess what? The SPY is coming into 228 million shares. So the SPY is coming into some big numbers. It doesn't look like the SPY is going to hold it. It looks like the S&P wants to test those highs. Bonds, what happened in the bond market is not over, folks. And this is the divergence again that we have out here, but this is how strong bonds are. The 10-year bond is up 13 ticks right now. You have 400,000 contracts under it already. That means that the bond market is going to basically get into at least the 1.2, 1.3 million contracts. Bottom line, that is a good move, particularly on a Friday, coming into that bond market. Now, King Dollar. King Dollar, folks, okay? What do you have with it? King Dollar's topped out. King Dollar did a A to B equals C to D over a 1 to 2 ABC structure. And the way this is laying out, particularly coming on a Friday morning, is this. King Dollar's down 1,300 ticks. I suspect it's going to go down about 2,000 ticks today. We were down 4,500 ticks on Wednesday. And that level there wants to get tested. Will it get tested in one day? I don't think so. I think what it's doing is building cars to get the lower price. That's on the daily. On the weekly, check out what you're going to have. You're going to have a high volume spike at that 94 level on the weekly. What does that set up? That sets up higher gold, lower dollar, higher silver. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow.